morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS by BRB. My name is Lumit and today we are going to discuss on one cue card. Talk about your favorite song. Talk about your favorite song. The sub questions are which song it is, why do you like that song. Now friends, all the topics which I am discussing with you are the new ones with out of the box answers. I have also prepared in the same way and got the desired coveted bands. So please watch this video till the end. And for those who want to learn new vocabularies, idioms and phrases, go to the playlist of my channel and join the VIP program. Watch this icon and watch the related videos. But before that, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share on my videos so that it encourages me to make more such videos. Now the entire video is divided into 4 sections. Section 1 is thought for the day. Section 2 is description on the speaking topic. Section 3 is the tips on the vocabularies, idioms and phrases which are used in this particular topic. Section 4 is narration on the topic music. Section 1, thought for the day. In this topsy-turvy lifestyle, one of the simplest way to amuse and entertain yourself is to sing songs and listen music. In this topsy-turvy lifestyle, one of the simplest way to amuse yourself and entertain yourself is to sing songs and listen music. The meaning of this thought is that in this topsy-turvy lifestyle, in this lifestyle which is full of ups and downs, which is full of sorrow, pain, stress and conflicts, one of the easiest way to entertain yourself, to make yourself happy, to amuse yourself is to sing songs and listen music. Songs and music are ubiquitous. It is present everywhere. It is the easiest and the quickest mode to make yourself ecstatic or happy. Section 2, description on the speaking topic. In this topsy-turvy lifestyle, one of the simplest way to amuse and entertain yourself is to sing songs and listen music. Today I would like to talk about one such song which is very much close to my heart. The song is Jab Zero Diya Mere Bharat Ne. It belongs to the movie Purab aur Paschim. Now the song starts in such a way that the main hero, the lead role, goes from India to US to meet his uncle. From there, both of them goes to a get-together party where most of the Indians who are living there would come and meet each other. There he meets a stranger, and the stranger is such that he lives in US for a longer time, and he tells that India's contribution to this world is zero. And from here, this song begins. Jab Zero Diya Mere Bharat Ne. Zero was actually given to this world by Indian scholar who's known as Aryabhatta, and because of that the world came to know from where the counting is to be started. The second line of the song states that the language of stars was taught to this world by Indian astrologers. Then comes about the decimal. If decimal was not given to this world by an Indian scholar, then it would be quite difficult to find out a distance between the earth and the moon, and even the distance between the different celestial bodies. India is a land of culture. The art and craft has been originated in India. India is a country where other countries follow the footsteps of India, and together they make a good headway. Now it's a very beautiful song. These are just a couple of lines of the starting verse. The entire song is very nice. I like it very much, and it is always heard at every nook and corner during national holidays like Independence Day, Republic Day. It's quite patriotic song and increases the sense of patriotism in me. Section 3, tips on the vocabularies, idioms and phrases used in this particular topic. Topsy-turvy lifestyle. Topsy-turvy lifestyle means lifestyle which is full of ups and downs. Lifestyle which is full of sorrow, tension, pain, stress, which is full of ups and downs. It is used as an adjective and it is used to describe the lifestyle. The lifestyle is full of ups and downs. The lifestyle is a kind of topsy-turvy. Amuse. Amuse means entertainment. Making somebody happy, making somebody delighted is said to be amuse. It is known as entertainment. In this topsy-turvy lifestyle which is full of stress, sorrow and conflict, one of the easiest way to entertain yourself, to make yourself happy is to make yourself amuse, is sing songs and listen music. Celestial. Now celestial means something that is a position or related to sky or space is said to be celestial. Moon is a celestial body. All the other planets are said to be celestial body. Good headway. To make a good headway is to make a good progress, is to achieve something, is to make a good forward movement. Now, India is such a country where other countries follows the footstep of India, and together, jointly, they make a good headway, they make a good progress in their life and make a good progress of that particular countries. Every nook and corner. Every nook and corner means everywhere, at every corner. This particular song during Independence Day, during Republic Day is also sung as well as heard at every nook and corner, everywhere. Section 4 is narration on the topic music. Now, music is actually defined as a language that doesn't speak in particular words. It speaks in emotion. You can express humanity. Another characteristic of music is that it has a healing essence. It is something that we all are touched by. One good thing about music is that when it hits you, you feel that particular music. Music expresses that which cannot be said. Therefore, in this topsy-turvy lifestyle, music acts as an antidote. I hope so you like this video. Please hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Goodbye. Sayonara.